Welcome back to my channel. Here we go again for another week. It's actually Tuesday night after work. Filming a little bit later than normal. Normally I try and do some filming of the bike on Saturday Arvo, after I finish work, but running a bit behind schedule this week. We've been so busy at work. This is my first opportunity I've had to film some work on the bike. Got a set of mufflers in here. I got these from Scott Wilson at Italian Iron Classic. So they're a set of standard mufflers. I hope to be in pretty good condition. So we'll check those out. Also the crankcases. I've just picked these up from Darrell at Rusty's Blast Shop. They look amazing. So we'll have a closer look at those. We might even try and fit the lower triple clamp. Grease the bearings up, put all that in. So anyway, we'll see how far we get into the bike this week. Let's do it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, Scott. Thank you very much. They've gone to a good home. Let's check the other one out. How good do these look? Very happy with those. So, thank you very much, Scott. You've really come through the goods, mate. So, if you need any parts, go check him out at Italian Iron Classic. And yeah, he's over in the States there, so look him up and I'm sure you'll be pretty impressed. What I'll do, I'll hang the pipes up out of harm's way. It'd be such a pity to leave them around the workshop and have, you know, an accident happen and dent them or whatnot. So when the time comes, we'll grab them off the wall. Here's a closer look at those cases from Darrell at Rusty Specialised Blasting. They look so nice. We actually got them glass bead blasted first, so it has a really nice texture, and in the sun it actually looks quite good. It catches the light and very happy with it. The lower triple clamp, it's really good. The silicone done a good job of stopping the media going down the oil passageways too. So there you go. Here's Darrell's details here. We fitted the new lower bearing and we'll grease it up. Probably would have been easier to grease it up first, but we didn't. If the truth be told, we actually blasted it with this bearing in situ because it was new, and we used the tape, protected it when we had it dry blasted, and the vapor blasting is so gentle it doesn't actually hurt the bearing, and then we washed it all out and lubricated it, and that's how we fitted it, or why it's fitted before we greased it. I know that I need to remove this again to fit the ignition barrel, but I just wanted to see the colour of it and the contrast. It all looks pretty good. So these were aluminium, so they cleaned up like brand new. I think that all looks pretty good. I've got the covers back from Rusty's blast shop. They look mint. So what we'll do now is we'll take them out and get them Cerakoted in gloss black. So today I want to send the calipers out to the Cerakoter. These have cleaned up okay, but still not probably clean enough, and definitely the front ones aren't clean enough to send away to have coated. So what we'll do, we'll spray some degreaser, some truck wash on them, clean them up a bit better, then we can post them out today. Here are the parts after we remove them from the ultrasonic cleaner. A lot cleaner inside, and all the passages are clear as well. But they're still pretty average on the outside.